We all have gone through a phase at some point in our lives when we aspire to do something, but rather than accomplishing our goals, we can only think of excuses and how our goals cannot be attained. This is because we lack motivation. So, what exactly does motivation mean and why is it so important? Let's find out. The word motivation is derived from the word motive, which means needs, desires, wants or drives within the individuals. So, is this motivation in the workplace any different? Well, motivation in the workplace is defined as the willingness to apply high levels of efforts towards organizational goals conditioned by the ability to satisfy some individual needs. It is the process of stimulating people to actions to accomplish their goals. This motivation can be derived from various factors like desire for money, desire for success, recognition, job satisfaction, and teamwork. One of the most important functions of management is to create willingness amongst the employees to perform in the best of their abilities. Leaders can enhance performance of employees in their jobs through the process of motivation, which consists of 3 stages. 1. A felt need or drive. 2. A stimulus in which needs have to be aroused. 3. When needs are satisfied, the satisfaction or accomplishment of goals. This means needs and wants of the individuals have to be tackled by framing an incentive plan. So, is employee motivation important in the workplace? The answer is yes. Employee motivation is key to an organization's success. It's the level of commitment, drive, and energy that a company's workers bring to the role every day. Let us discuss a few benefits of having a motivated workforce in an organization. 1. Puts human resources into action. Every organization requires physical, financial, and human resources to accomplish the goals. This can be done by building willingness in employees to work, securing the best possible utilization of resources. 2. Improves the level of efficiency in the employees. To get the best out of the employees, the gap between ability and willingness has to be filled. This will result in increase in productivity, reducing the cost of operations, and improving overall efficiency. 3. Leads to the achievement of organizational goals. The goals of an enterprise can be achieved only when the following factors take place: best possible utilization of resources, cooperative work environment, goal-directed employees, and coordination and cooperation. 4. Builds friendly relationships. Motivation is an important factor which brings employees satisfaction. This can be done by framing an incentive plan for the benefit of the employees. This could initiate the following things: monetary and non-monetary incentives, promotion opportunities for employees, disincentives for inefficient employees. This would further instill a friendly atmosphere in the organization, creating effective cooperation, reduction in industrial dispute. Employees will be adaptable to the changes, helps in providing a smooth and sound working environment. Individual interests will coincide with the organizational interests, resulting in profit maximization through increased productivity. 5. Leads to stability of workforce. Stability of the workforce is very important from the point of view of reputation and goodwill of the organization. The employees can remain loyal to the enterprise only when they have a feeling of participation in the management. The older the people, more the experience and their adjustment into an organization, which can be of benefit to the enterprise. A motivated individual will achieve personal goals, have greater job satisfaction, heightened performance, and a willingness to succeed. This is enjoyed by the wider team and the overall organization. Hence, we can summarize by saying that motivation is important both to an individual and a business. Now that we have understood the meaning and signification of motivation, let us continue this discussion and learn more about motivation in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned.